everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm here to give you a honest review about trading. Guys, you might be having a lot of questions by seeing in those apps whichever pops out on Instagram and so many people telling you about various investment plans. And of course, these doubts of whether should I do it or not will be there in your mind. I'm here to clear you them. And to tell you about myself, it has been just a month since I started trading and I have got a lot of doubts cleared which anybody could have while beginning to stock market. Before I start off, please do subscribe to my channel to get in any updates about improving yourself financially, physically and mentally. And don't forget to share my video once you like it. The first question which will come to your mind is, should I really start to trade? Yes, of course you'll have to start trading if you want a good sum of income by sitting at home. Another thing is that a lot of celebrities choose trading as another good source of income. To be frank, they don't know what to do with so much of money, crores and crores of rupees. What will they do? They will invest that money. Now, to get to know about one super cool celebrity, that is our favorite author Chetan Bhagat. You can get to know his life story right through the description box because I have made a video about his life story and you will get to know how stock marketing helped him to maintain his finance. Yes guys, of course you can start trading if at all you have a sum of income which you can keep aside and forget it for a while of time. Now you might ask me why I should forget it. It's because you're investing that. Now you might ask me that I don't have so much of money which I do not spend at all. There is money always which I spend and there are so many expenses I have. Guys, if you keep some money aside right now, you can spend a lot later. Choice is yours. Now you should get another question also right in your mind saying that is it really true? Will I really get returns through trading? People say it's gambling. People say it's not true. People say, you just invest money and what if the company goes bankrupt? So many questions are there. Now let's come first to gambling. Guys, what in your life is not gambling? Everything is gambling. You go to an office right now, you go to a company right now. You never know when that same company is going to turn bankrupt. You don't know when they are going to pay you salary. It might be next month they will not be paying salary. There's so many companies and startups which have started recently and right now they are not paying salaries because of coronavirus. Things like this are always there. Choice is up to you about how you are very smart in order to invest in various companies which is giving you good returns. Is it a get rich quick scheme? Guys, no, nothing is a get rich quick scheme. You cannot become rich within a wink of an eye. You need to give your time and of course a lot of common sense and brains in this so that you can get in a good sum of income through this. The next question is, how much money would I require in order to start trading? The answer is very simple. It is directly proportional to the amount of income you are expecting through trading and also directly proportional to the amount of risk you are ready to give with that particular sum of money. But I'm not telling you that you will go completely on loss. It's never just possible that way, okay? But if at all you want to dive into the sea without even knowing how to swim and without even a life bag, then that is up to you. Like, I cannot tell anything about it. All I can tell you guys is that if at all you learn, give some time to it and then start trading, it is going to give you a better intention and better notion upon yourself in order to start trading rather than doing it without knowing anything and just falling into it. And another thing what I need to tell you about trading is that it is an art. I mean it is an art. It's not so easy to just go there and you buy the share just like that, you sell the share just like that. It's not possible that way. You need to learn that art. Without learning, you cannot give in your opinion saying that it is gambling, it is some story, these people are referring it to so many other stories of losing a lot of money. No, it's nothing like that. You need to learn this art properly. Just the way you learn driving vehicle, only then you will not get an accident. You give the vehicle to a person who does not know how to drive, you will surely get an accident. Okay, just now I told you about risking sum of money, right? So does that mean that I will go bankrupt? Does that mean that I will lose a lot of money? Will I fall on road? All these questions has a simple answer. It is on the basis of your common sense now. When I told you so clearly that you should only invest the amount of money which you are ready to risk upon, you should not be going bankrupt because of this and you cannot be falling on road because of this. That is just impossible. Okay, now the next important question which everybody has. What if the company goes bankrupt? Okay, now my question is, your neighbor who is staying just beside your house, what if he goes bankrupt tomorrow and cops come there and take him away because he's a complete bankrupt? Now what are you doing? You're analyzing about him. Did he go bankrupt so many days before? And was he able to cope up with his financial life from so many years? The same way you need to analyze about companies before investing. You're not going to invest on any company dumbly, and if you do that, of course you will go on loss. That is the reason I said you need to use a lot of common sense and brains while doing investment and trading. Okay, now what if the company, a very good company, goes bankrupt? This question is not wrong because a lot of good companies have gone bankrupt and it has happened. There is a factor called analyzation in stock marketing, which you learn how to analyze a particular company and decide whether to invest or not. Now you have analyzed the company completely, like 5 years, 10 years, or whatever it is, and then you invested and still it went bankrupt. Now what to do? Now you're supposed to have something called patience. See guys, a lot of company might or might not go bankrupt. That doesn't matter. The matter is how much patience do you have right now. What will happen once a company goes bankrupt? A lot of people are dependent on the products of the company. A lot of employees are dependent on the salary of the company. A lot of investors like you and me are there who have left a lot of money there, right? So that is the reason this company will be purchased by somebody else and it will be improved by somebody else. Now the basic question is, if you have believed a company for whatever the achievements it has done till now and you felt it would be good and it will give you good returns, if at all right now it has gone bankrupt, there should be a reason why it was not able to cope up with the finance of it, right? So this is the matter. It will be improved again. All you need to have is just patience. I hope you guys like this video a lot. Now you might be getting in the questions that did you invest money? How much did you invest? And what is the returns you got through your investments? I will give you all these answers in my next video. So what are you supposed to do right now? Subscribe to my channel right away so that you get an update about my next video and you get a clear picture about how much I invested and how did I do it. If you have any doubts about whatever I spoke till now, please do leave it in your comment section. Don't send me any personal messages, but leave it in the comment section so that everybody gets to know about the doubts you have and they also get a good clarity about whatever their doubts are. So do share this video to your friends and relatives who are looking for sources of income. And another thing, part 2 is coming soon. Stay tuned.